students, welcome again to my channel DNA.12 Education. Today you are going to discuss a new topic in mathematics. The topic is quadratic equation. Subtopic: how to solve quadratic equation by using formula A, B, C. Students, as you know, there are three methods to solve quadratic equation. The first is completing square, the second is by using formula ABC, and the third is by using graph method. Today we are going to discuss about how to use formula ABC to solve quadratic equations. Okay, students? Solving quadratic equation by using formula A, B, C. As you know, the quadratic equation formula is ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Okay. The second method to solve quadratic equation is by using formula ABC. So what is the formula? The formula is x1, 2 equal minus b plus minus root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Once again, x1, 2 equal minus b plus minus root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. That's very clear, right? Okay, so what is tips and trick how to use the formula ABC? The formula for solving a quadratic equation in the form ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0 is x1, 2 equal minus b plus minus root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. A, B, C is the number. A is coefficient x squared, B is coefficient x, and C is constant. Okay, just use your calculator to solve. Just insert the constant and the coefficient to the formula and then use your calculator. I think very simple one. When b squared minus 4ac less than 0, the equation has no real solutions. Okay, or we call that imaginary, right? Okay, or the symbol is I. Okay, students, so what is tips and trick to solve quadratic equation by using formula? A quadratic equation in one variable can be solved by using formula. Only one tip and trick. Before using the formula, modify the quadratic equation equal 0. Number 1 must be equal 0. You have to modify to be 0. For example, is x times x minus 2 plus 5 times x minus 3 equal 4. Okay, you can see the equation is not 0 yet, right? So you have to expand x squared minus 2x plus 5x minus 15 equal 4, and x squared plus 3x minus 19 equals 0. Now we got x squared plus 3x minus 19 equals 0. Okay, we got equals 0. So A is 1, B is 3, and C is minus 19. By inserting the number to the formula, x1 comma 2 equal minus b plus minus root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a, we can find that minus 3 plus minus root of 9 plus 76 over 2. So x1 comma 2 equal minus 3 plus minus root of 85 over 2, or minus 3 plus minus 9.220 over 2. So by separating the symbol or the sign plus and minus, we can have two answers. x1 is minus 3 plus 9.220 over 2, we got 3 over 11. And x2, we can take the minus 1, minus 3 minus 9.220 over 2, we got minus 6.11. Right? Thank you very much. Hello students, welcome again to my channel DNA.12 Education. Students, our topic today about solving quadratic equation by using formula ABC. Yeah, solving quadratic equation by using formula ABC. Okay, as I mentioned before, the formula is x1 comma 2 equal minus b plus minus root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a, right? Okay, I already mentioned that the tip and tricks how to solve the quadratic equation by using formula, you have to make sure the modification of quadratic equation already 0, right? You have to modify the quadratic equation to be equal 0. You have to make sure that. After that, you can use the formula x1 comma 2 minus b plus minus root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Yeah. So the first step is modify first the equation to be equal to 0. Okay. Find the solution this quadratic equation by using formula. Everyone, you can find that this is the fraction, right? This is the fraction. As I mentioned before, when you got the fraction, you have to find the LCM. Okay, the LCM of x, this one, and x minus 2, right? X minus 2. So the LCM of x and x minus 2 is x times x minus 2, right? Okay, so every single item must be multiplied by the LCM. Okay, must be multiplied by LCM. Don't forget to put the bracket for every single item here. Okay, so you're going to rewrite 3x plus 5 over x, okay, plus 7x minus 4 over x minus 2. This one, sorry, I'll change this one to be x here. Okay, equal 3. Equal 3. Okay, so every single this one must be multiplied by the LCM. Clear, everyone? Clear? Okay, so I want to put the LCM to every single item here. So x minus 2, here is so I put here x minus 2, and here is x minus 2, right? Okay, now we have the simplification of the fraction by timing x minus 2. Okay, now we're going to simplify. Yeah, we're going to simplify. This one is x, right? Cancel, cancel. And this one is cancel again, right? Okay. Now you have x minus 2, 3x plus 5, plus 7x minus 4, time x, this one, yeah, equal 3 times x minus 2, right? Okay, students, so this is the distribution right here. X times 3x is 3x squared plus 5x minus 6x minus 10, right? Next, this one again here, plus 7x squared, this one minus 4x, equal 3x times x, 3x squared, 3x times minus 2, minus 6x, right? Okay, so next we want to group all the items to be one group. Okay, so 3x squared, this one 7x squared, so you're going to make it closer. So 3x squared, this one, plus 7x squared, and then here 5 minus 6 minus 1, 5 minus 6 minus 1 minus 5, so minus 5x, right? 5 minus 6 minus 1 minus 1 minus 4 minus 5x, and then here minus 10 equal 3x squared minus 6x, right? Next, this one is 10x squared minus 5x minus 10 equal 3x squared minus 6x, and then you have to make sure that your modification of the quadratic equation must be 0, equal 0. So all these items must be moved to the left side. So 10x squared minus 3x squared, and then here minus 5x, positive 6x, right? And then minus 10 equal 0, right? Now we can simplify again. So this one is 7x squared plus x minus 10 equals 0. Okay, so then now we have 7x squared plus x minus 10 equals 0. Okay, this is our new quadratic equation. Okay, this one. Okay, you got this one. Now you're going to use the formula, but we are going to define first how many a, b, and c. Okay, so this one is a equals 7, this one b equal 1, then this one c is minus 10, right? Okay, so the formula is this one. I want to write it in red color. So x 1 comma 2 minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. So x 1 comma 2 equal, okay, minus b minus 1 plus minus root of b square, b is 1, right? So 1 square minus 4 times a is 7 times c is minus 10 over 2 times a is 7, right? Okay, students, okay, continue again. So we got this one minus here minus 1 plus minus root of 1 square is 1. Okay, you have to times this one first. Yeah, time all the number first. So we got plus minus 4 times 7, 28 times minus 10, so 280, right? Over 14. Minus 1 plus minus root of 281 over 14. Okay. Okay, students, next again, equal minus 1 plus minus. You can use the form, use calculator. Okay, this one root of 281 over 14. So we have two solution, right? We have two solution here. So x1, you can take the positive one, minus 1 plus root of 281 over 14. And x2 equal, you can take the minus 1 minus root of 281 over 14. Okay, so every single quadratic equation has two solutions, the positive one and negative one. Positive, negative. Okay, we go to the next question. Thank you very much. Okay, students, welcome again to my channel, DNA.1 to Education. Okay, find the solution this quadratic equation by using formula. Okay, everyone, I think you agree with me that this formula A over B equals C over D. So the solution is A times D equal B times C. Okay, this is the fraction. Okay, the question is this one, but you have to understand, yeah, to avoid any mistake, you have to put the bracket here. Okay, the bracket. So by doing the cross multiply, so 14 times 2x plus 5, this one, equal here x minus 1 times x minus 4, right? Next, so here, this one is distribution, 28x here, and then here, plus 70, equal, this one again, x squared minus 4x, and this one, minus x, and this one, positive 4, right? Okay, very easy. Next, so 28x plus 70 equal x squared minus 5x plus 4. Okay, you have to modify the equation to be 0. Okay, you have to make sure that ax squared plus bx plus c must be 0. Okay, that's the target of the formula, must be 0. So you have to put, what do you think? All these items go to the right side, or this one go to the left side? Oh, better all these items go to the right side, right? So equal, so 0. So this one will be moved to the right side. Okay, and this item will move to the right side, right? Okay, so it will be x squared minus 5x plus 4 minus 28x and then minus 70, right? So we can write here 0 equal x squared, and this one minus 33x and then minus 66. Okay, 4 minus 70 is 66. Okay, so we have an equation x squared minus 33x minus 66 equals 0, right? Okay, so what is the conclusion? Yes, we can take the coefficient first. A equal 1, B is minus 33, and then C, this one, C, minus 66, right? Okay, so I think it's very simple, right? So now we go to the formula ABC. The formula x1 comma 2 minus b plus minus root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a, right? So x1 comma 2 equal minus b is minus 33 plus minus root of b is minus 33 square minus 4 times a is 1 and c is minus 66, right? 2 times 1. Okay, so x1 comma 2 is minus will be positive, plus minus root of, so you can use the calculator, right? 1089, right? And then minus 4 times minus 66, so it will be positive, right? 264. And divided by 2 times 1 is 2. So x1 comma 2 equal 33 plus minus, and then root of 1353 divided by 2. Okay, now we have this one, very simple one, right? So what about the solution? So the solution we can separate to two part, right here, two part. So x1 is taking the positive one, 33 plus root of 1353 over 2, and another one is the negative one, so we call that 2, 33 minus root of 1353 over 2. Okay, students, if you want to find the simplest one or in decimal, you can use this one by using the calculator, okay, or this one. Okay, you can use the calculator in order to find the simplest one or decimal. Okay, student, I think that's all. How to use the formula of ABC to find the solution of quadratic equation. Okay, clear, students? Okay, see you at the next topic. Bye bye.
From John Paul School, and I will start my 7th grade this year. I've joined QPC course since January 2020 with Mr. Jasper as my course tutor. Mr. Jasper did not only teach me the proper techniques of both maths and mathematica, but he teach me how to learn independently and how to stick into a problem to find ways of solving it. The course materials were good and it's based on my school curriculum. And the mentor approaching is also good. During the pandemic of COVID-19, we studied via the internet and it's also good. And I think Mr. Jasper is very good and it's a solid course. I learned a lot. Thanks, sir.
Hai, nama saya Cassius Nathanael. Saya adalah seorang siswa kelas 6 SD Penabur Harapan Indah Bekasi. Les di Bimbel QPC sangat menyenangkan karena konsepnya fun learning. Cara mengajarnya pun asik dan tidak membosankan. Selama les di Bimbel QPC, saya menjadi lebih mudah untuk mengerjakan soal-soal matematika. Karena di sini kita akan diberikan rumus-rumus jitu yang mudah dipelajari. Oke? Salam.
Halo, salam pelajar. Nama saya Pascual Clayton. Saya siswa Kolese Canisius angkatan 21. Saya di sini untuk memberi testimoni saya mengenai proses belajar saya di QPC selama masa karantina lockdown ini. Pertama, jelas belajarnya jadi lebih susah karena harus belajar online. Namun, saya berterima kasih mempunyai QPC untuk membimbing saya melewati perjalanan belajar online saya. Saya sama sekali belum familiar dengan proses belajar online. Saya sangat perlu bimbingan dan saya berterima kasih akan adanya QPC di situ untuk membimbing saya. Nilai saya pun akhirnya berhasil kekejar. Nilai saya yang 60 menjadi nilai 80 dan nilai saya yang 80 menjadi nilai 90. Itu adalah mata pelajaran IPA tuh. Jadi selama proses belajar online ini akhirnya kekejar juga nilai saya. Itu in part sangat besar karena bimbingan Sir Jasper dan QPC. Setiap malam kami belajar bersama untuk mempersiapkan diri untuk esok pagi belajar online. Jadi nilainya aman selama belajar online ini di QPC. Semuanya aman dan bahkan lebih meningkat kalau di kasus saya. Sekian dari saya, terima kasih. Salam pelajar.